Hey Uni fans, today we are going to be learning how to make a paper boat, which is amazing. I've actually learned how to make a paper boat before, but I just keep on forgetting. So today we are going to be learning how to refresh our memories. Do it with me and let's go!
Hi guys, and today I'll be doing a video on how to make a paper boat. First, you'll need a piece of paper like this. You'll want to fold the top down to the bottom.
Okay, so the top down to the bottom, like maybe. Just try to make it as equal as possible. Okay. That step is done.
Now you want to from here to here.
Okay, so here to here. We keep on fast forwarding, which is like super hard. Okay, so let's see. Okay, that's done.
Okay, now open it back up.
Open it up.
Now, press the piece in the middle here. Now fold the top here to this crease.
Okay, so like a paper airplane. That's like a paper airplane. Just like that. Okay, that should be good. Okay, and the other side. Okay, gotta make things a little pointier. I hate that sound.
Okay, and you can see here, you can open it up and there's two flaps.
Oh no, I did it the wrong side. Okay, whoa. I gotta redo it. They did it the other side. So I gotta redo it. Okay, and that should be good enough.
Take one.
Okay, so one side goes up, like that.
And fold it so it's touching here.
Okay.
The other sides.
Okay, you do it the same thing over there. Okay, that's good.
And do the same thing to the back.
Okay, do the same thing on the back. Why does the keep on making those squeaky eeky sounds? Which I hate. There we go. Okay, it kind of like has this diamond shape or Wonder Woman shape, whatever you call it.
Now you want to take this and fold it up.
Okay, so you want. Oh, now it's kind of like those. It's kind of like those hats. Okay, I feel like you want to do the other side the same way, which I'm gonna just do. Okay, this is kind of getting my memory back of how to make these paper boats. Okay, this one's kind of floppy.
Now do the same
Whoa.
thing.
Now I've got this little mini hat. I could put it on my head.
Now you turn it so this is facing down. And you put it closer.
Okay, and then you
Fold
open.
it outwards.
Okay, and then fold it inwards. Yeah, like that.
And down. You put your hand on top and then push.
Push.
Hold it.
Okay.
Now it looks like the side is square. And you want to fold this flap here.
Okay, so fold this there, trying to touch the tippy top. Okay. Oh, that's squeaky noise.
See if I fold it all the way up, it will look like when it's finished, it will be harder to see the top. If you fold it only until here, if you fold it only down here, it will be much easier to see the top right here. So you can fold that depending on how much you want and how
I'm gonna
much
fold it in the middle.
holes you want. In this video, I'll be folding it all the way to the top.
I'm gonna fold it all over here.
Same thing with the other side.
Okay. Now that's done. What do we do
Open
now?
up again. Now you see this one here. There should be 2 flaps.
Oh. Okay, I made it. I made it.
And the other one.
Okay, I totally made it.
Let's fold them out.
Very cool. Okay, guys, here's how I did it, okay?
You see the bottom here? Pull that open.
That's cool. Okay, here's my artwork. Okay, for some reason I can't share my thing, so you guys would probably have to like go somewhere else, like in the, you know, these thumbnail and see my piece of artwork, but this is what it looks like. It looks a little skinnier than the one that it showed in the video. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this, and we're gonna see you next time. Bye!